Oh, by the way, one of those 120 points. Yeah, me too. Don't worry about that. I don't really care about points. What about the winner seat, though? Hey, yes, this is Jim Halper calling for Donald. Can you hold on for 1 second? Thank you very much.
Who talked to Randy at Kaufman?
Choose another prize. There are some great new additions. My car for 1,000 points. Or best offer.
What else you got? Oh, and then this was Phyllis.
someplace while we ache to come home.